Hey, hello, Vern. Nice place you have here. Thanks for having us again for just a simple conversation. Hey, Happy New Year, by the way.
Same to you, same to you.
Okay, Vern, can I just ask you, why did you first decide to install our 𝗏𝗃 Megaview?
Okay, firstly, it's for the customers lah. It was blocking the view of the Johor Straits.
Yeah.
So I was thinking of an idea of just opening it up, but then again I need to protect the place from rain and shine and all, right?
Yes.
So that's the reason why basically.
Okay, I believe also the previous blind, the shade, prevent your customer, your guests from having a perfect sea view. Does the Megaview totally free up this the beautiful sea view? And does any of your customers say about the view now?
Totally, it opens up totally to the totally a new outlook altogether.
Wow.
It just opens up the whole space.
Yes.
So it's like just dining under the stars, but with shelter lah.
Wow.
And the customers love it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Great to hear that. Great to hear that. And are you happy with the whole Megaview installation process?
Yeah, it was fast and all done within a day. So all good. And then any problems or anything like that, the boss is always there to help out. So no issues.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. And I believe you mentioned a bit, but it says that does it better protect your customer
definitely.
with the dining space?
Definitely.
And keep them from the sun, the UV.
Yeah, definitely. In the sense that rain doesn't come in anymore, and then you still have the view, and it's daytime. I still can have the view, but then it's protected from the rain.
Wow. Good to hear that. I'm very happy to hear that. And last question, would you recommend our 𝗏𝗃 Megaview to a friend, and why?
Most definitely. In fact, I was planning to do it in my own house.
Wow.
So definitely would be engaging you pretty soon.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you so much. But thanks for your time, and wish you
worries.
all the best for
Thank you.
2024.
Happy New Year.
Happy New
Thank
Year.
you.
Happy New Year.